My name is Darren. Actually, I'm from the Airport Police Division. My destination is more of a regulatory development officer. I'm doing more of regulations and also data analysis to support the company with all the relevant data whenever there's meetings or some presentations. I think so, it's last year, more of a similar like data analysis. Via emails and also when I Google for external courses to improve myself. So this is one of the course company that I actually Google about. Relevant to my work in order to know and do a better data analysis of the work. This is a new course, it's totally new to me. Even I know a bit of Excel, actually I know more in terms of the pivoting in order to get better result out of the data that I have. I think the course itself and the knowledge taken will give me a better, easier process to getting the data out in a more proper manner. Yes, the course is very beneficial and it's enhanced to what you have in Excel. And actually, they also benefit my colleagues on the area that they need to do something similar like me, doing presentation, getting variety of data in terms of chart and also easy access to and update to bosses. I think they are more detailed and touch based on one-to-one training rather than some courses they just give you the exercise sheet and actually exploit by yourself. It might not cover to every individual in a way. Other than coming to the hotel venue, then it's about the course itself and it's very detailed and really learn from the step-by-step training that I've gone through. That's the attractive part of this company.